What's up, everybody? We are going back home after picking up some sheep. A couple of thoughts I was having. One mainly is that we live in a world where people tell you just have to have everything figured out and don't make rash decisions. And while I agree with that generally, okay, when it comes to like trying new things and trying to build a life that you find a lot of purpose in, we got to stop asking for permission. That is something that I feel like has plagued a lot of people in making their next move. You want to go get some sheep? Go buy some freaking sheep. Okay? Just do it. Okay? You don't need the sheep expert to tell you, go ahead, you can go buy some sheep. No. Just go do it. Just go do it and learn. Obviously, you want to take as best of care as you can of these animals. It's your responsibility. But rise to the occasion. Sometimes you just can't prepare. Sometimes you just need to do it. And, yeah. Oh man, they kicked it. They...
No, I'm their shepherd. But they're not afraid of my stick.
Oh, do you like them?
Daddy, they're letting me pet them. Daddy, I think Granny and Bella are the big sister. Daddy, they're soft.
Oh, little baby's trying to get out.
Oh, Daddy, look. She can't ever get her head out.
Oh, so the mama escaped. She's still in the enclosed area, but I'm not going to be able to get her. So she's just going to have to come to where the water is and where her little babies are.
Daddy,
Yeah?
and soon she'll find her babies.
Yeah. All right, nighttime chores. Going to check on the sheep with my wife, eating a cupcake.
Hi.
And we are excited to see how the sheep are doing. Whoa. So when we first set them out, they ran all over the place. Well, at least the mom and one of the babies did. And then I brought some water out, and I hope they were all able to reconvene around the water. Oh, there's one. Let's see. All right. Hey, maybe we just don't even put them in a fenced area for now. Right here. There they are. Hi, sheepies. Maybe I can
get them in the corner over there and put the...
Let's see if you can go around them and see if we can get them in here.
Oh, they're following the mama.
That's so great.
Sheep.
Here, you gotta run around them, or do you want me to?
You're probably be better at running on terrain than your pregnant wife.
I probably will be better at running on terrain than my pregnant wife. What are you looking at, Pablo?
Sheep that are taking over his pasture. They're so confused with who I am. Hi, sheepies.
Alright, let's see if we can get them. You're gonna have to run, babe.
I've got a sheep dog.
Should we open it up wider?